For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Orlando Pirates collecting maximum points at the reigning, it was soaking wet at Orlando Stadium, especially in the second half. First half, but second half, it was raining. But Orlando Pirates making sure they keep a gap between Bona and log leaders and current champions, Mamelodi Sundowns, closer and closer and closer. No junior. For it,
Shane, my brother,
I'm okay. What's up?
ngibulise wena no Justice kulele kwa my brother ngibulise uBenedict Sofilakazi ngibulise uBobo Lindo Pep ebafethu kunjani keep on supporting iTiski TV fighting no try to fix South African football mfethu well done to Pirates to break a team edlala low block ayikula sikubona khona ukuthi are you mean business this season well done to this guy for Smuzi Vilakazi as well. I think lengwenya le need somebody who's so experienced ozomnceda sengikhuluma ngamasapo wakhe approaching the game tactical spot on made it very difficult for Orlando Pirates bekadlala 4-2-3-1 this guy udlala ngoMariko la middle no Semisiabe back for Emile and then abantu abayi3 which is I think is this guy's Chole ulemfana Matros
That's also
Figueiredo
Yeah.
and Evanga up front. Very difficult player, Evanga, to deal with. But I'm surprised, Mina. I think he came first half. He came being on a chance. Pirates tried everything. I think the coach of Usmuz in Tabachele with let's force Orlando Pirates by wide. And by my wing back, not wide, kuma wing forward. Wing back, because I'm a wing Pirates forward, wangena part. I think Pirates that benza konke mfana Shane they did everything my brother Siphumbule brought the creativity sebenzisa ukuhlanganipha kwakhe umjita nomthejela not much on the game also this poor lebkhona mfukeng I think confident akabi there I think the match fitness the confident as well on the left hand side
from an injury.
but what a star player well done to the coach ukuthi build the confident amike bheka le bola leli different between pass le bola shala between defense right center back ne left ne right back ubheke le pass uyiwe kanjani vision akusonke umuntu ongadlala ibhola ukurisk because le bola maliphumela ngaphandle coach yakushout yakeeper and good run timing yakhe I think uDion Hoto asikhulume nje nge first half yonke njengoba ngisho I think this guy bekadlala counter attack transition football played a low block bekayeke Orlando Pirates build up Orlando Pirates nabo baqale ngama long ball first 10 minutes I'm not too sure Sema badlala ibhola I draft uyaka right and then ulibitso push up there ufika la ku right wing back udlala lo ball diagonal to get to Woto every time yes bebamthola uWoto but uWoto na decision making yakhe yena umrimbe kangena phakathi I think decision making yakho Woto na umrime I think first 10 minutes he let it down on the Pirates because their team umrime was more dangerous on the left hand side bamdlalisa right makadlala on the left ngenyawo a strong foot sakhe because udlala behind it defend ne speed and then we decide with mela shoot okanye square pass very good technically but ushota ngokuhlakanipha man ushota ngobuhlalu yamfana after 10 minutes but what I love njoba ngisasho this guy ngimshala izandla uVusmuzi team yakhe be very close to each other bekana ama gap
So compact.
very compact especially on the midfield well done nama winger wakhe right wing forward and left wing forward bangena phakathi I think uthola ukuthi bagcina by 5 la in the midfield iPirates ya wide well done for that nomthejela not much ngibone nje yagcwala iground lonke umfana talent batha I tried umfana obvious ukuforce lama forward passes but I don't think bewamthola this guy Mbutuma because uMbutuma we can cry say beyangekho egamini not much is support ayitholile from uSiphumbule and nomthejela and ibhola I think second after 10 minutes the coach into yenzile change ilisumreme on the left hand side on the right hand side cutting in akusiplay ukwazi ukhatha in leya position mawukhatha in ifuna ukuhlanganipha mele ukwazi ukudlala ngaboth feet mele ukwazi ukucabanga before ball ungalibiza lifike enyaweni zakho yet so many ball position ukudlula wonke umuntu ngikhuluma ngama forward players decision making let it down leyangwenye bemningi lawn ayi white push ibhola too much ifike imguide liphumele ngaphandle ubukeka ngathi umntana omncane and then on ngale kule side urile bombona ukuthi confident is not there bekahlalela iningi and makafika bazomphasa libusele backwards ashayivala negative pass he never tried to beat somebody opponent yakhe so iPirates bengeke effective dangerous that's why benga create ama chance that's why Mbule bekana ama shot outside the box. I think umuntu beka-shooter outside the box him because of bekunzima ubreaker central from Orlando Pirates ngapha wing both bebangabaniki nix and umbutuma beyangatholi anything bebamlethela ama-cross i-cross is anybody's ball. These guys bathola ama-chances I think 1 or 2 le ngwenya le ngiyamangala mina uSibisi is experienced player yabo Sibisi uyambona ungangale ceiling mfethu umnika le Ntwana uSema le mfana lo ya very good player, very good on the ball akusi player elikwazi ku you can't say this boy must man mark. Umfana ukwazi ukudlala lo yashini uphethe ne timing. He's more of a sweeper. Mina can play him at defensive midfield. Yabo uphethe timing, he can shift ne game. Hlakaniphile, une football intelligent, technically very good. But mawuzothi amakweva nga ungawe uyamshila lo mfana ngeke ambone ibhola ifula emva kwakhe. And mawungabheka bese kuyi threat every time abanika unga lo beka thena ngaye kube nama chance ayi2. Early one almost getting in. It's just unganayi. I don't think it's comfortable ukushaya target. Ukushaya to the target because Cornelia I'll behind I'll shy on top of ipal. I don't understand why I missed the target lapha. Usibisi also. You can't nayi lapha experienced player udayivelani uyilast man.
You think that moment he panicked Usibisi because he was the last man. If you remember, he called it Bola Pume, he won one where he miskicked the ball. Evanga, but Usibisi quickly recovered. Do you think the moment where he miskicked the ball, he panicked? The moment?
Usibisi, I'm a player, I'm a hard tackler. Mom compare na Babusema demo, I'm a player in timing. Yabole Pola being a melanga dive. Miegal trap. Just guide him. Guide him just on a chain now. Guide him pushele, Mshambe, Usale, just there, Abel like us abiku chest yako so that this boy can become a sweeper we are recover yena uSema now we are dive kwi last man evanga ngana speed wa pusha le bhola yonke into panickile evanga if he had speed evanga it was a goal bekadlala nge counter attack ulo this guy Vusmuzi and this boy Matrose from the first whistle he was a threat to Orlando Pirates very dynamic played sort of a free role
problems
beka run behind number 10 udlala kanje I think has improved since joining Cheaper but unama games na kunama game ngibona adlala nabo Arrows is not the same yona namhla I think he was selling himself but mangadlala so from this performance ayithatha umfana bekanika this team enye dimension because bebaphuma ngaye he cheated bamshiya no Evanga and then yena wide Maga White become a threat. You understand? And this boy, if mina ngisasho namanje ama-sub coach second half ukuthi akhiphe na this guy yena leyo story.
Also, yeah.
It's a big mistake from the coach because now the Ntwana uyhamile so unika lo mthwalo wonke leya boy. Figure it, a very good player. I think mina coach bekumele mhlambe first 20 after maybe last 20 minutes ngikhuluma nga first half ayisuma drops on the left hand side to figure it asondele adlale nga 2 strikers Pirates was going to have a problem now I think game first half azange be nama chance amaningi but Pirates tried everything fethu I think they created everything players individual brilliance yabo they brought it but the team they were so compact ngikhuluma Chippa United yeah
the subs the Orlando Pirates where he took out Umbule Umbatha there was also Umbutuma, and then he brought in Umahopa, he brought in Umakaula. There was also Apolis. 2 of those players got the goals for Orlando Pirates, Umahopa and Apolis. What did you make of his subs as Coach Wadu and his reading of the game in the second half?
Again, the game we win a bench in Wadu, but also Vusmus Villagas himself to be playing. Mkipela no story. Mkipela no Evanga. Now khama lomfana yena Matros and bekumele ayisu Matros on the left hand side just him shift position udlale nga 2 strikers which is ufigure it now Evanga and then umiye kusithola on the right akhathe in leave him we understand the coach leave that guy and I think Mariko as the defensive midfield uSemisiabe kuba box to box Semisiabe I think bekanika enye dimension coach ngikhuluma nge combination play to keep the ball Uvusmuzi enye into engimbone ngayo emaster passing game because he doesn't have high profile players but the passing game emaster I mean bekwazi ukudlala ama tight space aphume ngalamo 1-2 just job too much mela variety game yakhe sometimes you play you stretch ibhola and team yakhe akumelanga ibe close in order for you to beat Orlando Pirates badlala ngama wing back tshela ama wing wakhe ahlale wide wing forward and then uchite and defender from Pirates build up yabo I think beyozoyibamba second half njoba ngisho ama-sub coach Pirates Pirates look different this boy is more of a content of play of this season for some far for me I know it's still early but ngikhuluma ngalo mfana lo Apolis ngiyazi mina Shane I'm honest I believe it. Let me put it this way. I mean, I believe with being honest to myself because this guy I'm critical for him. I'm police, but he has proved me wrong. Honestly, he has won Paris games. I mean, I'm very surprised. I need to be honest. Bengabheka ukuthi uzoba nale inhliziyo na. Ngikhuluma nge-character. Let alone the talent, character. Decision making something else. Yabo, ngiqale ngisho is move number 10. Ubheke le bola leli, udlala ka right, bamfaka right, bheka ubheka lapha, udropa kangakana, udropa lapha. Usupporta le bola on the left hand side. Leli uKabelo Dlamini adlala la. Good pass from uKabelo. Good pass. And then ubheke lapha open body. Okay, deflection. But for the fact yokuthi ulisa le bola kuFaphuzi, well done to the boy. But njoba ngisho content of play play of the season 9 ngizomfaka angisho ukuthi uwinile. Uphakamisile isandla ukuthi nami ningibheke kuma awards I might be there and mhlambe ngidobhe something. Well done to Pirates. In fact, no, a difficult game. Second half it was open because of ama sub coach awezile. Faka boNtsundama abamenzelanga next. It's more of a striker that guy. I mean angisashi wing at all. Angayiboni ngisashona namhlanje and Pirates mfethu I think they deserve no evident Makhupa. I think he came there hlala eboxing stay there you get goals. Yeah, because kunama ball player amaningi Pirates and then he did exactly that. Well done to Orlando Pirates. Le game bengekho easy abakutshela ukuthi bamini business ngoba le game le eshini icoach bayitestile.
Well, thank you so much, Junior, for your analysis. Sibukele sobabini umdlalo Junior Nkululeko, uBobo uLindo, bukele no Benedict Vilakazi. Orlando Pirates, Orlando Stadium, they just won 3 points. They are now on 25 points with first place and defending champions, the Mamelodi Sundowns. Orlando Pirates beating Chippa United by 2-0. Evidence Makhopa and also Oswin Apollos. Thank you so much for watching ITSC TV.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to ITSC TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe ITSC TV.